FM. No idea at all whether this is on my face or not, but sort of do something a little bit different. Don't know what the lighting's like in here. Oh, it's not all bad. It's not all bad. I've got, whether people were interested, probably not, but it's a different video. It's about life, I guess, you know, a bit of life. But hold on, let's just get ourselves situated. Get ourselves situated here. Be with me for a moment. I feel like should have been a bit more prepared. How's that? Oh, look at that stunning fella. There's not anyone there. What I'm going to do, this is my garage for you in the past would have seen my garage. But what we're going to do, well, she's pretty, that's going to be good as any. Right there? Yeah, right there, why not? So what we're going to do is I've got this, more noises. Oh, what have you done here? This could be a real hit and miss, but I've got this bad boy. Good old Nilfisk C110.7 water blaster. Now, I got this bad boy from work. Work was going to throw it away. And I said to them, don't throw that bad boy away. Give it here. I'll take it home. Biggest problem with this thing is I should probably be using bloody gloves, but we used it for cleaning pigeon excrement. I don't really need to get too deep into what that means or what that is, but it means basically don't touch my face until I've washed my hands. But what we're going to do, I'm going to plug in, attempt to plug it in. Come on, baby. There is a power switch. And we'll put a water source in it. That'd be even better, wouldn't it? But my hopes are that I've stumbled across a winner here. And if I haven't, never mind. This could just be an absolute bombshell of a video. It's just to feed it to her. Oh, I'm pretty sure she's no go. It sounded promising. Yeah, that's... That smells cooked, son. I can even see it smoking. So, there we go. It's going to make for a exciting story, isn't it? What we're going to do... So we're going to... Turn her off. Turn her off. And we're going to dive deep. We're going to dive deep into it and we're going to have a look Now, from what I understand, what we thought had happened is that this bad boy had got water in it. So, what I'll do is we're going to take, looks like we're going to take all of those screws off. So, for me to take all those screws off, we are going to, well, we're going to get a power drill. I'll be back. I got one, the biggest worry I've had now. So let me put this little bad bit back on. Is that my video? No, it's still going. Battery. So, how's everyone doing anyway? Like I ran into trouble I had last time, which was purely just coming up with ideas on things to talk about, and you know, which I like to go on and on. What is it in that bit for? There we could probably stay on. Was coming up with ideas on what to talk about and what to yarn about, and like it's hard to do a life and growth channel without having multiple or continuous and things to talk about, or be, I guess, participating in things that relate, even in the slightest, to I don't know, some sort of growth or some sort of courses or self-development, I guess. The quick way to, the easiest way to say it. If you ain't doing those sort of things, then how can someone, that's a good question, is how do I help in that sector? How do I help other people? If you're not already doing something yourself, or you don't already have things to premeditated. Can you even see me? If you don't already have things premeditated and already have give self knowledge or self experience, and it's just it does come with its restriction, and if you don't actually have a good yarn, well, most of the time no one wants to listen to you. You can always do like days in the life, but you can only go so far when someone really, not so much saying that no one cares about you or about me, or actually, hold on, let's hold the work, hold it the talk. What do we got here? That is a busted fan. That is a busted fan. Where was I? So if you don't actually have genuine things to talk to people about, then you probably find that a lot of people don't want to listen to you, because you're not bringing any sort of, I guess, value to somebody. And that's what people are after. People are after value. People are after, what can you bring to me that I'm not getting outside of my, I'm not getting out of my everyday life. Like, what sort of benefit am I getting from you to make it worthwhile for me to watch, listen, or even entertain me, or entertain my, well, I guess, entertain my worth to you, or anyone else of the like. What the giddy aunt, Uncle Cracker, we got going on here? Okay, I am literally just winging this because this is not my fortes. This is not my my area of expertise. Like I said, it was free, and my thoughts were, because it's free. No, don't be playing those games, pal. Because it's free, worst that happens is I throw it out. Yeah, so as I was saying, unless you're bring some sort of benefit to another person or other people or a group of individuals, you catch what I'm catching here. People just don't really want to listen to you. Like most of you here will just scroll on by. Because one, who wants to see a guy take apart a bloody water blaster, for one? What benefit do you get out of that? Well, not a lot. This is going to be one of those ones. This is not going to... If I kick that sleeve off, I know blue goes to that one. That's my theory. For one, no one really cares or wants to see me do this. I'd kind of be in the same boat. What's your benefit? Nothing. But what's everyone doing that's... Oh, see, look at that. Probably ain't going to see that. We'll show you, though. She has lost... Where are we? You're probably going to see the light. Where's the light? She has lost fin, which I think's what's overcooked it. It blows my mind in how they did that. Gee, what? We've cooked it somehow, and I reckon it's cooked. Ooh. She's fried something wicked under there. Come on, baby. Alright, we're getting places. Yeah, so as I said, people just don't necessarily have to or want to listen to the things that you have to say. But that's all part of YouTube, really. And that's how YouTube sort of floats. So, I see. So we have burnt out the connection rod right there. I would show you it, but you're not going to get any gain from it. But this blue one, this one here that connects, onto our copper wire, which sort of looks like an alternator. In here, which you probably still can't see either, is a connecting rod that connects onto this fan. And if that's not touching, it's not... Hello. It's not juicing up our fan. It's not giving the fan the cooling. It's not giving the cooling what it needs to make this whole operation work. So I wonder if I can get another one of those. If I could. Well, I kind of need a new fan too. But what costs you to get that and a new fan? It's probably just to throw the lovingly piece of equipment out. The fraction in there is pretty... She's pretty gouged. What I can see, she's pretty cooked. I'm no professional when it comes to these things, so I think the fact is that there's, I think a lot of that is off that. She's fucked. Excuse my French. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to put it in the bin. Well, there goes that. I thought this was going to be a good yarn while fixing something, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be fixing next to nothing. So we'll leave it at that one. This was a bit of a nothing video. Thought we could get a good decent yarn out of me fixing something that I thought was going to be a bit of solder this on and you're done. But it's a part that probably costs more to replace than picking one of these up for $100 odd bucks, when the part probably costs only a couple bucks for the maker. Oh well, we've been there, we tried it. Till next time.